Imagine a world where computer crashes, slowdowns, and hardware malfunctions are a thing of the past. This is the reality when you keep your PC's drivers up to date. Drivers, those crucial pieces of software that act as interpreters between your computer's hardware and its operating system, are indispensable for optimal performance. Yet, they often go unnoticed until something goes wrong. Enter DriverFix Crack, a groundbreaking software that streamlines the process of finding and installing the latest drivers for your computer. DriverFix Crack is packed with features designed to make your life easier. Its primary feature, the comprehensive driver scan, combs through your entire system to identify outdated, missing, or faulty drivers. This isn't a simple surface scan. It delves deep into the recesses of your system to find every possible driver that could be causing issues. Once the scan is complete, DriverFix Crack doesn't just leave you with a list of problems. It presents you with solutions. The software's extensive online library houses over 18 million driver files from various manufacturers. Whether you need a driver for your graphics card, printer, or even your mouse, DriverFix Crack has got you covered. But what makes DriverFix Crack truly stand out is its one-click update feature. With a single click, you can download and install all the necessary driver updates. No more wading through confusing manufacturer websites or worrying about installing the wrong driver. DriverFix Crack does all the heavy lifting for you. Another standout feature is the software's backup and restore function. Prior to updating any driver, DriverFix Crack creates a backup of the current driver. This ensures that if anything goes wrong during the installation, you can easily revert back to the previous driver. It's an extra layer of protection that gives you peace of mind. In addition, DriverFix Crack has a scheduler that allows you to set automatic scans and updates at your convenience. This means you can set it and forget it, knowing your drivers will always be up to date. In essence, DriverFix Crack is a comprehensive, user-friendly solution for maintaining up-to-date drivers. It offers a deep system scan, access to an extensive online library of drivers, one-click updates, a backup and restore function, and a scheduler for automatic updates. The benefits of using this software are manifold. It can help prevent system crashes, improve computer speed and performance, eliminate hardware issues, and ultimately, prolong the lifespan of your computer. With DriverFix Crack, you're not just updating your drivers, you're investing in the health and longevity of your computer. So remember, the key to a well-functioning computer isn't just about the hardware or the operating system. It's also about having the right drivers in place. And with DriverFix Crack, achieving that has never been easier.